This is a 2009 Chevy Silverado 2500 with a gas engine, 121,000 miles. This has an upgraded tow package from the factory. Super sharp vehicle. Two-wheel drive. Comes with an ARE PebbleTech cover, flares, running boards, tinted windows. Bed liner. Vehicle is running. It needs absolutely nothing. Four-door extended cab. Carfax certified, no accidents. Brand new tires. Grill guard. Truck is absolutely stunning. Super sharp truck. Leather interior is in great condition. Power windows, locks, mirrors, and cruise. As I stated, it does have an upgraded tow package. 121,000 miles.
Activate your radio now. Call 844-711-8800.
No sagging headliner. If you're looking for something to tow with, this is your truck. So, a 2009 Chevy Silverado 2500 LT, four-door extended cab, 121,000 miles in absolutely wonderful condition. Gorgeous truck.